In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to close all tabs on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Chrome browser. Now click over here. You're gonna find all the tabs that are open. Now how to close it? You can click on this cross icon to manually close it, or click on the option edit given at the bottom left, then select close all tabs and groups. With this, all the tabs will be closed automatically. Likewise, if you want to close private tabs, you can click on this icon over here. Follow the same steps for this tab as well. This way you can clear tabs for Chrome. Likewise for the Safari, launch settings, scroll all the way down and navigate to the option apps. From the list of apps, find Safari and launch it. Now scroll down. Here you're going to find the option of clear website and data. Click on that option. Now checking for the option all history. Enable for the option close all tabs. Click on the option clear history. And that's it. This way you can easily close tabs on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.